Hello YouTube, we have an unboxing today. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to tell you exactly what this thing is. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. I play electric guitar. I play a Telecaster electric guitar, which is the James Burton Signature Series. But that's all that aside. That doesn't mean nothing. What this is something I have wanted for a long time. And I'm going to go ahead and start opening this up. And this is a lap steel. Now, this one here, some would say this is a cheapo, and maybe it is. This is, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on one of these, so I got this one. Got this one from Musician's Friend. And, get the paper out of here. Sorry for all this mess and sound. Yep. There it is. It's a made by Rogue. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to set it right here. And then also got me a Dunlop tone bar. This is the 925 chrome brass. Looking at the top of the box, this is a Rogue. And I think this is the RLS-1. Comes in its own, will have its own little gig bag, which is pretty nice. I'll just take this thing out. Man, I think it's smaller than what I thought it was going to be. I'll just move this box over to the side. And there we have it. And let's see here. Just turn this around. Sorry about this way I'm videoing. It's hard to hold. I'm using the iPad, an iPad Mini, to do this video. But I couldn't find my camera. So let's just unzip this thing. See what we got here. Unzip all the way, I wonder. I guess so. I guess that's as far as it goes. I'm going to take it out and get it set up, and then we'll, anyway, in here I think there's some legs in here. It's a place to keep your extra strings and stuff. And I'm going to take it out, and then we'll get right back with you. Now here it is. It's the Rogue. It's in a deep. It's in a deep dark metallic blue. Now this thing, I'm telling you, this guitar is a lot smaller than what the picture shows, and probably what you're seeing here on the video. It is really small. It's probably no more than a little over 2 foot long. Ain't much over 2 foot. Oh, but it's pretty. You just have to see it close up. Got a little bit of a like drag in there, but that's, you know, I think they'll loosen up as time goes on. But we're gonna, you know, it does have, like I said, this thing has legs. So it's got a place for, you know, 1, 2, 3 legs. And Everything looks good to it. Don't look like it's marred up or scraped anywhere. But this is it. I'm going to get it set up, and I don't know how to play one of these things, but I'm going to give it a shot. I've been wanting one of these lap steels, and this is my Rogue lap steel. Thanks for watching.